Hey guys, I'm gonna make an account in a different country in MSD. Let's see. Which country? I don't know. Poverty. Let's see. UK. Let's see UK. The last time I made a country there, I mean account there. Not there once. Let's see. And then I'm just gonna open another one. This is the UK account, okay. I am totally will watch this video so it could you know, UK account totally perfect. I should name it. Let's just say music is what I do. What? Do we me good. Music is what I do. Gotta remember. Nah, and then I watch these videos so I can look at it. Play with the account for a bit. Let me change the eyes. Aqua. Like this color. Son of a bitch. Pass. I'm not telling nobody to pass, but whoever wants this UK account, because this UK account is not gonna last long, so. I accept, I guess. I don't want your script, baby. Just go on me. Yeah, let's do that. Why is that? I don't know. Ew, Pixie Star, gross. Blah, blah, blah. Pixie Star, I hate you. Everybody hates you. I'm sorry, Pixie, but it's true. Everybody hates you. Nobody give a shit about you, so yeah. Fuck you, but fuck you, Pixie Star. Why you were created? I know you were created for guiding everybody, but like, we don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. I mean, backwards on to somebody. We don't even need you no more. What? What? Just leave. Just leave, please. Oh. Eh. Why even bother? Okay, let's go to here real quick. next video should be different type of Deepak traders. I don't know if it's. Guys, let me know if that's actually a good idea for for a video. Cause I will do it. I don't mind. Let's just say it's been a while since I told her to say hi to YouTube, so she's gonna say hi. Okay. Hey little bitch, you could fuck with me if you wanted to. This is mine, this is mine, this is bloody shoes. Let's see what Just Sarah would say. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, that's sweet. Alright. Oh, that stuff is actually cute. I might get it. Might. Okay, let's go back to the UK account. And whoever does want this account, cause actually not gonna probably keep it. I might keep it. They can have it. I really don't care. Damn, these are fucking ugly. Let's here's the character real quick. You could, if I do decide you could have it. It could be yours, and you can do whatever the fuck you want with this account. I really don't care. Okay, UK. UK. You suck. What I do is... Okay. Gotta start here. Music is what I do. Alright, since we're not in USA, music is what I do. 1.7. Was it 1.7 or was it... Okay, there we go. This is all the people who say on YouTube. No? 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 Anybody? Oh. Oh my god, you get over. Hey, Bonnie Planet! 1 second, okay? Okay. Okay. Let's see if she wanted to say hi to you too. The fuck? Doing fine, you forgot about me. No? Okay. No one cares, Holly. Okay. So I guess I don't know. Let's go. Or something. No? Okay. Well, who wants this account? Comment down below if you want this account and I'm keeping it. Nope. Sorry. Now, let's go to... What the fuck? Oh, it's in UK. Which country? I don't know. Not France! No, not France. I don't... Black. No, okay. I got that. Not France. So basically, I mean, UK account. Who's now? Canada? Yeah, the Canada. Let's see. Oh, first this crap. Let's see. So, the, account, I'm gonna leave it in a link, and this one too. Cool. I don't care. Oh, third. So it's just July. Okay.